Hello there. I'm sure like me you can't wait to get the children back to school. I have good news for you. Learning made easy with our Power Learning app. We have put together an all-encompassing app in a tablet for your child. The app covers all subjects from JSS1 to SS3. And what's more exciting is that the child can take a self-test and get their grades instantly. Does your child already own a tablet? Not to worry. You can purchase a memory card with same contents. Get the best out of technology for your child and do not worry about the X-rated sites, as that can be taken care of. For more information, call 0808-250-1100 or send a WhatsApp message to 0818-819-6777 or visit our websites at www.flextutor.net.